Miami Beach, born and raised. On the grind is how I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, cooling, kicking freestyles outside of my schooling. Before LL was in the house, I picked up the mic, mama almost knocked me out. Not a new jack, you ain't get the memo. Wait, 9-8, I was on my third demo tape. No YouTube views, no Instagram. Had to hit that stage to convince the fans. Won't lie, got booed maybe once or twice, never again. I must have been doing something right. Could it be my desire? Hunger Games, I'm a one of one, you will find none the same. With skills required like you have never seen. I got that fire, Katniss Everdeen. See, the goal was to get signed, show up in headlines. Label slept for a while, bedtime, till I hit them with that wake up call. 911 emergency. Wake up, y'all! Plan A don't stop till they know my name. Plan B was simple, see plan A. Gotta stay focused to overcome what's tough. That's just how it is when you're coming up.